Welcome back everybody to TechExpress. My name is Steven. I'm going to be showing you how to get started with an actual affiliate website here into TechExpress. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you, we're going to be diving into what exactly is an affiliate marketing website. I'm going to be talking about domain and hosting, website platforms and design. We're going to be talking about a little bit of content creation, affiliate programs, and a few links. And of course, we're going to be talking about the SEO and traffic generations that can be helping you to get started into, let's say, to grab some traffic into your website. Of course, we're going to be talking about the monetization strategies, some analytics and optimizations, and just a few tips that you can follow once we have successfully added our actual website. So let's get started. My name is Steven. Welcome back into TechExpress. Let's talk about affiliation marketing. So affiliate marketing is the actual performance-based marketing strategy where businesses reward individuals or other companies for promoting their products or services and driving traffic or sales to the actual website. So how does this actually work? It works with an actual advertiser or the merchant. So usually this is a company or a business that has a product or service they wanted to promote. And the affiliate, these are individuals or other companies that joins the affiliation program. They make the promotion, the advertised product or service, and they're going to be getting paid, of course. So we have the affiliate links or tracking codes. This one usually works as the affiliate uses links tracking to provide the advertiser. So the conversion, when somebody clicks into the affiliate link and takes desired action, such as, let's say, for example, making like a purchase, sign it up, it's considered an ad conversion. And lastly, we have the commission. Now the commission is that the affiliate earned a commission or a predefined fee for each successful conversion generated through their actual effort. So this is how and this is why people are making affiliation. And here into your actual video of TechExpress, I'm going to be showing you how you can get started with something really easy. So there's a lot of truly a lot here of affiliation programs into the internet. I'm not going to be, let's say, suggesting you and a specific one. You can try to look for the best suits for you, but let's say that trying to find the best solution or the best one for you, it totally depends on your actual niche. Which that brings us into planning your affiliation program. So let's say that I'm interested into look out for an associate into an affiliate program, but I don't know what is my actual niche. So first of all, what is an actual niche? This is something that actually feels like a specialized segment of the market for a particular kind of product or a service. So if you're willing to get started with affiliation programs, you wanted to get started with your very first niche and choosing an actual category. This is what we're actually trying to look for into an actual niche. So there's a lot of affiliation, like let's say for example VPNs, there is clothing, there is e-commerce stuff, content creators, TikTok, social media. There's a lot, but truly a lot. So first of all, the very first step that you need to do when you wanted to plan your affiliation website is to find out what you're actually interested in. So in this tutorial, we're going to be talking about the Amazon Associate Central. Now, Amazon actually is going to be incentivizes to recommend products, and we're going to be earning commissions. This is a really great example of affiliation program. As you can see, this one is called Amazon Affiliate Marketing Program. And this is how it actually works. Sign up. Join tens of thousands of creators, publishers, and bloggers who are earning with the Amazon Associate Program. We have signed up. Now we have the recommend. Share a million products with your audience. We have customized linking tools for large publishers, individual bloggers, and social media influencers. And lastly, we're going to be earning up to 10% and associated commissions from qualifying purchases and programs. Our competitive conversion rates help maximize earnings. So this is how Amazon actually works. I found my actual niche. I wanted to share products from Amazon. And if this is actually, we need to pay for that, well, the actual answer is no, because what we're actually going to be doing here is earning commissions to share or to talk really great about a product or a service. In this case is the Amazon products. So Amazon is not going to be charging us to sign up and to share stuff. On the contrary, they're going to be paying us, right? it's not like a lot of money, but we're actually making really, really great sales. If you have an actual really great status as an influencer, or you have a really great blog or an actual website. But once again, if this is the very first time for you, you don't have to worry about that. So we find our niche, we find our strategy, we find the associate affiliate marketing program we wanted to join. What is next? Let's talk about domains and hostings. Now, domains and hostings, it's, let's say, like something really small that is from your authority, and you can get started to sell stuff. Let's say that my actual account, my actual branding stuff is called Elmont. So if I open any tab, let's say that I wanted to get started with a hosting or a new website address. And as you can see, we have tons of places we can just get started with. Usually what I do is to use Namecheap.com if I wanted to show my affiliation program with an actual website. You can do this with an actual blog, you can do this with an actual website, you can do this into your social medias, you can even do this only by commenting stuff directly into your actual social medias. So if you wanted to get started with an actual blog or a website or a space only for you, you may want to get started with an actual hosting website. So here, once again, here is my actual example. My branding account is called Elmont. So I'm going to hit into search. Why do I hit into search? Because I wanted to see what are the domains available to buy. And check this out, we have elmont.lat, and it costs us only $1.8 per year, which I think is like really, really cheap, only for 1 year of the actual domain. So once you buy your domain, you can get used to it. And when people clicked into your link, into your Amazon affiliate, they go directly into elmont.lat and they see that they actually have your actual needs and stuff. Now, what influencers do is to add some stuff much more easier. In this case is a landing page. So if I open a new tab, you can see that we have a lot of landing page, for example, and using totally for free, for example, Linktree. Now, Linktree is everything that appears into just one simple link. So let's say, for example, you have a TikTok. Into your TikTok, there's a lot of people who are sharing stuff, products of Amazon, and into the profile, they have the URL. Usually that URL comes into Linktree like this. And when they click into the Linktree, you can see that they have here the actual products, the autumn collections here, for example, upcoming events, products from Amazon. And mostly when they clicked into the product they're actually interested, they drag directly into an Amazon product. Once you have received that, once the people clicked into buy the product, automatically the earning goes directly into the influencers. So that's totally optional for you if you wanted to create a website or not. In this case, we have the Wix.com where you can create an actual website totally for free. I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description if you wanted to get started with. If you don't, we can focus into the next step, which is actually getting started with our actual content. But first of all, what you want to do is to make sure that we are now signed up into the associate affiliation marketing process. So in this tutorial, we're going to be using as an example the Amazon associates. So if I hit into sign in or into sign up, it's going to be taking care here into, I'm going to go into add my actual account. Really, really easy. After you add your account information here, for example, it's going to be asking you for your website and mobile applications. So usually here, please read the instructions here. List all the top level website where you plan to display banners, widgets, special links, and other ads from Amazon associates. You need to add at least one website. You can add up to website and mobile applications. This is going to be really important so Amazon actually knows where the actual sales and purchases comes from. So if you have your Linktree section here, you can add your website totally for free. So whether you buy a domain or you add a landing page or you add a, let's say, a website builder, like for example Wix or Google Sites, that is totally for free. You have lots of, let's say for example Square, there's a lot of actual sections that you can add this totally for free. So for this tutorial, it's going to focus into something actually totally for free. We don't want to pay actually for anything. We want to just get started totally for free. So let's go here into Linktree, sign up for free. And check this out, it's going to be asking us to, in my case, I'm going to sign up with my Google account since it's a little bit more faster to use. I choose my Google account now, which into blank, you can see that we can actually create a website totally for free. We don't have to pay absolutely for anything. But check it out here. If I go into the settings here, or I wanted to just publish my new website, let's say that this is an affiliate of Amazon, and I hit into published, it's going to be asking us to publish the website. So let's say that this one is Elmont Store once again. And down here we have the custom domain sites of Google. So I can hit into published. And whether you wanted to share your stuff directly into Linktree or into Google Sites, but you have now 2 links that you can use. So once again, you want to use as much website as you can, but it's going to be really, really important to tell Amazon where are we going to be driving some traffic. So once you added all of that, let's get into next. Are any of the track sources listed above directly primarily children under 13? In this case, it is no. I'm going to hit now to confirm. And now we have the new profile. What is your preferred associate store ID? You wanted to add whatever is going to be helping you. Tell us about the content that you create. So let's say that let's go for I am a content creator that makes podcasts, and let's go for radio stuff. I usually promote, let's say, products or tools related with those kind of content or niche, right? So which is the following best describes your content? You are a blogger, you want to create content or niche website. We wanted to focus into content or niche website. How do you hear about us? Let's go for from the Amazon website. And now we add the auto captcha here, which is NWCB5F. Sometimes it's a little bit awkward, so I'm going to hit now into agree to the terms and conditions here, hitting to finished. And now here we have the applying to the Amazon Associate Program. So my unique associate ID is this one. And now enter your payment and tax information. If I hit into now, it's going to be asking us to sign in. So I just hit into sign in real quick. Here into Amazon, into the upper side, we have the affiliates of Amazon site striped. So that means that now I am inside the actual Amazon. So that means that I can get started to earn money. And how does this actual affiliation of Amazon works? Well, it's actually really, really simple. If you wanted to, let's say, offer, in this case, let's say that I wanted to get started with a microphone for a podcast. Let's go for podcast mic. And I wanted to share, let's say, for example, the very first one. So usually I do have the get the URL, and now here is the URL. So what I do here is just to copy this URL, and what I wanted to do is to paste it into, in this case, our actual website. So I paste the URL, I hit into add, and here it is. As you can see, I'm gonna hit into Amazon, and let's go for the best mic for podcasts, and here's my link. And now I wanted to customize this a little bit more. Let's say, for example, I wanted to add like a thumbnail. So I choose from table icons. Let's say that I wanted to add Amazon. If it's not available, I can change it for, let's say, like a mic, like this one. And there we go. So it's looking great, right? So I'm just gonna go here into my URL, and I'm gonna paste it into a new tab just to make sure that it's actually working. So as you can see, here's my custom website, and I only have one URL, the best mic for podcast. I can add, let's say, buy here, whatever. So if I click it, it automatically sends me into this mic of Amazon. So when somebody makes an order, when somebody places the order, when somebody buys the product, I'm going to be earning the commission for this actual product directly into my affiliation program here. So you can see here, appears actually into Spanish because we're actually into the Spanish affiliation program, but it actually works exactly the same. It's going to be appearing here, how many money we have earned so far, what is the commissions, what are the products that actually people bought, and what makes us received money and all of that. So We now have our products, we now have the affiliation marketing tips, we have now the niche, we have now the place where you wanted to get started to import stuff. What is next? Usually what we do is to get started with design of our website or our socials. So we're going to be doing two things today. We're going to be getting started with an actual website. So whether you wanted to use Linktree or Google Sites or the website builder like Wix, for example, it is totally optional for you. But these three elements, I'm going to be using that totally for free. So usually here into Wix, for example, these website builders, they do have templates that can be helping us to get started to make stuff much more interesting. So I'm going to hit now to sign up or just sign in, choose the best option that suits for you. And after you are signed in, usually it's going to be asking us how we can get started. So I'm going to go into not now because we want to recover our actual account. I'm going to hit into create my new site. And now what I wanted to do is to try to do something really easy and directly into the point. I wanted the people to go directly into buying the product. So to start from a blank canvas, I can start from a template or to design into the Wix editor. So let's go for start from a template. Really easy. And now here we have templates and I have black canvas, I have text company, I have the coming soon. So try to look for the most easiest elements. For example, active text to film. We're gonna go for this one actually. Hit into view and check it out if it's actually working for you. So we have the stay tuned, join the wait list. So if I go and select the edit, now it's gonna be asking us to add our new elements here into Wix Studio. So if I go back, let's go back a little bit back actually. Let's go for design into the Wix editor. Now in this, I'm going to go for landing page, product landing page. I hit into next and check it out. Preparing your actual dashboard. It's going to be showing me a few templates that we can use. Once again, totally for free. So let's go into skip for now, skip for now, skip, skip, and continue to the dashboard. Now check this out. I'm gonna just close this quick section for now. And what I wanted to do is to go directly into my store. So I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna go into design side, into the upper side, and customize a new template. Now, product landing page, check this out. We have the best match for this product or this product. So if I wanted to incentivize people to buy only one product, I believe that this is actually going to be looking really great. So we have this product review. I can talk about the product. I can talk about what are the benefits to adding this product, what are the custom price, the description, the specifications, what is this actually for, and so on and on and on. So usually what I do here before I get started with an actual website is to see the actual product. I kind of like this product. If you don't like the product, if you don't like your niche, it's going to be a little bit pointless to create an affiliation website that you're not even interested in. The very first step is that you might be really interested into what you're actually trying to share to the people. You want to share your goals, your reach, and your desires, your dreams, and all of that. So I scroll a little bit down, check it out here. We have a few images here, description of the product. It comes here into Spanish, really important to try to change to aim for the right audience. I wanted to aim for people who speak Spanish since I wanted to share a product that actually comes with the Spanish stuff. So this for podcast, for games, for teaching, for chatting. We have 180 degrees, 14 inches, and all of the elements that comes with, and so on and on and on. And we have the opinions here into and images here, with images actually, with videos. So I'm gonna go back here and check it out how it's gonna be looking my actual website. Type of the site, product landing page, name of the site. Let's go here and add element, products or reviews. Create the site text. Now add some details about your site. So this is a website that promotes the best Really easy. The same thing into Linktree. Add your link, add your images. We have done this a few minutes ago. So we have now 3 elements to get started with totally for free. So what is left to be done is just to promote this stuff, to go directly into the socials and promote that stuff. So how do we actually do the promotion of a product? If I go directly into my socials, you can see that there is an actual section that says that the most popular application so far is TikTok. And I'm going to prove it to you by look out for a product from Amazon. If I go here into TikTok, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to type, and there we go. We have 10 useful Amazon products that I have bought this year. So top 30 best selling products into Amazon. So there's a lot of people who wanted to buy the product, and usually what they have is the link directly into their actual socials. This guy actually does not have any website here added, but as you can see, they have a lot of videos. They're actually making like a review or let's say how it's actually working for their daily life hacks and all of that. So usually what people do here into socials is that they tell you what is great into Amazon, how you can buy this product, what is the actual price of it. So check this out. I have this Shop Finds. This lady has 500,000 followers. Amazon product reviewer, Shop Finds. I click into the Linktree. Check it out that this lady has a Linktree website. So we have created a Linktree. If I open it, you can see that it is actually something really easy. So people actually don't care into how it's going to be looking the website. What it really matters is the content. So if I go back, you can see that actually Amazon US storefront, Amazon Canada storefront, Amazon UK storefront. If I go into Amazon US, for example, this lady has their own account here and has the best published selections here. So usually you can do actually that, and you can add your few commissions to get started with. See here, for example, it has the Instagram account, she has a TikTok, and you can follow her. And she generate a few commissions only to share products that they actually don't own. But she is sharing a lot, but truly a lot of products. So let's say that people buy 100 products per day. She might be earning $10 per day without doing nothing, but just adding stuff directly into Amazon. But as you can see, this lady shows too much products, really too much products. So I might be thinking that she might be receiving more than 100 commissions per day, not per month, per day. So you'd be earning a little bit of really great money there. Selected your niche. Once you have selected your affiliate marketing, once you have your custom linked to start earning commissions, is to get started with the content creation. So as you can see here, this lady, as an example, has already been created a TikTok account and has a Linktree already been added into her actual social media. So you might be having an Instagram account or a TikTok account, but you wanted to add your custom URL of an affiliation marketing section. So now you wanted to drive some traffic into your actual website. We have created this actual website. We have created this Linktree. We have created this Google site. I wanted to drive some traffic directly into these actual websites so people can get started to buy products into, in this case, Amazon. So let's go back here and let's analyze a little bit of what she does for a living. So as you can see, she has this niche review that she received a package from Amazon and she's starting to check it out, and she used the product so people can get more incentivized to buy the product, or maybe not. So usually when you find like a review, like a format you can get started with, and you can start to record, usually that works for the rest of the day, that works for the rest of the month, for all your incomes. There are people who maybe share products, but they don't appear as in the camera. But it's really important to generate some kind of content like this so people can, let's say, get more incentivized and they actually want to buy that product because you are showing them how this actually works. And if it works for you, it might be working for them. So USB. So if I type it USB, let's go for Mict, and I type review, check this out. We do have a review from IGN. We have a review. We have a lot of videos of YouTube. You can use, of course, YouTube videos to promote your content. But once again, if this is not your thing, you don't have to worry about that. Let's move on into the same step. We have musicradar.com Mayano review. So if you clicked there, you can see that this one has the custom image. We have the stars. What is the cost into Amazon? Pros, cons. What is it? Performed and verdict, recommended videos for you. And we have a lot of steps here that you can see the people make the review of the product. At the end of the day, once you bring some value to the people who actually read this vlog, what they usually do is to add the URL linked. So if you check it out here, if I go here into at Amazon, you can see that we have this new, the same product actually, $79. We check it out here into the upper side, have the hooked feature linked code. RDMX. So that means that this is an actual link of affiliation marketing. How do we know this? If I go here, if I go into ref, this is my actual custom link. So they're actually making money to make reviews of an actual product. You can do that here. You're not going to be making any kind of videos. You're going to be making just a blog of an actual product. You wanted to bring value for the people who wanted to buy this product. So once again, if you go here into this new section, you're going to go to continue. You're going to go into sign in. I have my account here into the upper side. I go here now into continue. Let's say that we are in a small business, wanted to do this for myself, adding a new Wix blog, configuring, loading the presets, you're good to go. And there we go. So now we are inside this new section of an actual blog. So we have here all the posts. And what I do here is just to get started with an actually post, manage my post. This one should be bringing me into the post of this new blog of this website of Wix. So usually here what you just do is to create your very first blog. So there we have paste it here. Linked opens a new tab. So I hit now into save, and there we go. So now I hit into published, and now I have my very first blog of an actual product. So I can go into maybe later, and I can hit here into view report or into edit and see how it's going to be looking my actual blog. So usually what you want to do now, once you finish your actual post, is to follow the next step. The SEO and traffic generation. What you want to do is to track conversions, is to see how many people clicked into your link, how many people check out your videos, how many people checked out what you have posted so far. So if you started a blog, you wanted to see how many people check that out. So if you go here into a website editor, usually what you just wanted to do is to go back. And here usually we have this marketing and SEO section. So we have the marketing home, and we have the SEO section. So usually in here into the marketing search engine optimizations, we can see the site performance into Google. So how many people clicked into our links, how many impressions we have made so far into Google, and how many people clicked through the actual links, and what do they actually do. So what you want to do is to aim for people who not only clicked into your website, but what they're actually trying to do is to click into the button that says buy now. And when they go directly into buy now, you wanted to drive some traffic into the add to the basket of Amazon, and of course gain your commission of that. So if you go here into the actual Wix, you have now that conversion. If you go into sites.google, for example, if you want to track that, you go into settings, you go into your viewer tools, custom domains, or analytics. And here into analytics, you wanted to impose your measurement ID. Since this one is actually a tool that comes directly into Google, you wanted to go and open any tab and go for Google Analytics. If I go into analytics.google.com, what I can do is to link a custom branding website and add this into analytics, so I can track out how many people checked out my actual website, how many users, how many conversions I have made so far, and tracked all of that totally for free actually, because this is actually from Google. Now here into Linktree, you can do exactly the same thing. We have the analytics into the upper side, and we can track how many people checked out our actual URL. So we have the one view, one clicked, CTR, and that will be actually it. So this is one view, of course, that will be ourselves, and the clicks, that will be ourselves. But as you can see, we have something really interesting and easy to find out into Linktree, which is the actual CTR. Now the CTR refers through the click-through rate. So what you want to do is to aim for the most highest percentage into your account. So you want to have less viewers and more clicks. So usually we have maybe like 1,000 views, but only have 2 or 3 clicks. We wanted to aim for something a little bit more higher than that. So it's really important to have a really click-through rate, let's say a little bit more than 30%, so we can see that we're actually doing something interesting. If you have a really low percentage of the click-through rate, well, that means that you might want to change or to edit your actual website, because it doesn't look a little bit attractive to people. It doesn't look really interesting to people. So you want to change that, and really important to check that out. And lastly, if you have some content creation like this lady into TikTok, we do have some analytics into the upper side. We have here the adjustment section, and we have now the analytics for TikTok for enterprises. So you can go into the statistics and how many people check out your stuff, how many people checked your videos in the last 7 days, in the last 30 days, how many followers would you have, how many people tracked, engaged with your actual videos, and of course, how many people are actually signed in, and the best time to publish so you can get more and more conversions. In this case, we have, for example, into Thursday at 4 a.m. or 5 p.m. into Friday, for example. So it's going to be really, really important to check that information out. So now that we have created our content, now that we have our social media set it up, now that we have our actual website, now that we have the affiliation linked, now that we have just check it out what is the best niche, the best program for us, now that we have the URL, the custom URL, we are now ready to get started to earn money and commissions for whatever plan, whatever marketing program or the affiliation stuff that you actually chose. So what I can totally suggest to you as a conclusion for this video is to not focus a lot into what are you actually trying to create, for example, like a Wix stuff, like a Linktree, a Google site. What actually truly matters is the actual content that you're actually sharing. But first of all, let's say a little bit less than that, a little bit further, or let's say backing that is the actual product that you're actually sharing. If you wanted to make an affiliation of a product, it is really important that you share a product that you are actually willing to share to the world, and it's a product that you actually like. So let's say, for example, that I do bought this actual mouse of TechZone, for example, but I actually truly love this product. So since I have already bought this product, what I usually do is to create a video for this product that I have just already bought, and I don't have to make any kind of investment because I have already bought a product. Now what I can do is to create like a product review, an actual video to tell people how does this actual product, this actual mouse work, the pros, the cons, and all of that, and the price, of course, and how you can buy this directly into Amazon. Then what you can do is to add the famous CTA, call to action. Buy this product now, buy this product like an offer, use my code, for example. So people go directly into, in this case, Amazon, and buy the product because you have brought value to the people. It's really important. It doesn't matter if you have created one website, two websites, 3 websites, 4 websites, 1,000 videos. What it truly matters once you have found the right product is that you bring value to people. If you don't bring value, if you're just making content by creating content, you're not going to be engaging with anyone out there, and they are actually not going to be making any kind of sales once they have created, once they saw your video, once they saw your actual website. You're going to be seeing there's a lot of impressions there, but at the end of the day, you're going to be not seeing any kind of clicks there or not any kind of sales, which in this case, it's really fatal. It's really bad for us. So with those elements that I have shown you here, for example, the ChatGPT, the Google Analytics, TikTok, for example, Amazon, Linktree, Google Sites, I think you'll now be ready to get started for the very first time creating an affiliation marketing program. Once again, it's really important to choose your niche. It is really important to choose the best content, the best product or service that you are actually willing to pay and to share. If you're able to make like a review, like a video, you wanted to share your thoughts about a product, if you can do that, I can totally suggest you to focus in there, because what you want to do once again is to bring value to people who wanted to buy a product. So really, really important to take that in mind. Now, tracking elements, CEO stuffs can be helping you to figure out what is actually working and what is actually not. For example, let's say you have an actual website and you can see that there's a lot of impressions, more than 1,000 people clicked into your actual link, but nobody goes directly into Amazon. So that means that maybe you want to change the strategies. You want to add like more videos, you want to change the font, you want to change the creativeness, you wanted to edit constantly stuff so you can level up your click-through rate. Really, really important of that. And lastly, what you want to do is to have some fun. You wanted to share stuff that you're actually really interested in. If you're just doing this only to earn money, at the end of the day, it's going to be really, really frustrating, and you're not going to be earning, or you're not going to be receiving a lot of results at the end of the day. So it's really, really important that you're actually interested in what you're actually sharing. So with that being said, guys, we have now reached the very end of the video, but don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If you're going to see more amazing tools of how we can do some affiliation programs, there is a lot of videos here into our YouTube channel. So if you want to check that out, you can see it down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe once again. If you have any questions, you can leave it down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hopefully we can brings a lot of value through this actual video. So have lots of fun though, and hopefully we can see your new affiliation marketing websites or content out there with any kind of product that you're willing to share. Thank you so much once again for watching the video, guys. See you next time.